Good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome to the year of 2021. Yes, with me again, Miss TR. Okay, so now we are going to study about the time. Look at your textbook, page 148. Have you opened it? And now look at the lesson 1. Today we are going to study about the telling time. Look at over here. Miss Tiara has a picture over here. It's on your textbook also. Now guys, if you check, there are numbers here 1 until 12. What is it about? The number is showing you the hour. And then there is the space between each number. Okay, if you see this part, it means 1 minute. There are 5 spaces here, so there are 5 minutes between 2 numbers. Okay, now we are going to study about how to tell the time if you see the analog clock. Look at over here, the long hand goes to 4 and then the short hand points to 7. Okay, as you remember, short hand shows the hour, long hand shows the minutes. So if you see this time, this is 7:20, right? But how to say it? Okay, if the long hand shows the number before 6, you have to use past. So we're going to say that this time is 20 minutes past 7. Okay, so we call it as 20 minutes past 7. If you want to make it faster, you can say it like this: 20 past 7. Okay, I repeat, if the long hands goes to the number before 6, it can be going on here or over here. Okay, you use past. But if the long ribbons goes after 6, from after 6 goes to 12, you will use to. So over here we are telling the time we are using past and to. Past if the long hands points before 6. Okay, and then to, we use to if the long hands points after 6. Do you understand? Over here we have question number 3. At 6:40 p.m. a group of people are at the community center for a charity dinner. Okay, it's 20 minutes before 7. How do we say it? Okay, because 20 minutes before 7, it means we need 20 minutes to get to 7 o'clock. So we can say as 20 minutes to 7. Pay attention. We use to because the long hand goes after 6, goes to 12. If you want to make it shorter, you can say 20 to 7. Okay, so we put the hour on the back, the minute in the front. Okay, this is hour, this is the minute. Get it? Next, we have question number 4. Look at this one. Let's check this part. The long hand goes before 6, right? It's 3. 3 means before 6. That's why you use past. The question is, how many minutes over here? We have 6:15 means 15 minutes. So we should write down here 15 minutes past 6. Get it? The time is 6:15. It is 15 minutes after 6. Past means after. Get it? Next, question B. Look at the long hands. The long hands points after 6. Okay, after 6. That's why we use to. Okay. Now, what time is this? Oh, this is 5:45. Miss, do we put 5:45 here? No, you do not put 5:45. You do not put 45 here. You have to check how many minutes before it goes to number 12. Over here, I told you before, there are 5 over here, 5 over here, 5 over here. So 3 times 5, then we will get 15, right? So we will write down 15 minutes to 6. It's not 45, okay? The easiest way is you subtract 60 with 45. Then you will get, you do regrouping over here, 5 over here is 10, you will get 15. The time is 5:45. It is 15 minutes before 6. Oh yeah, good. Look at this one. It's not 5. We will put 6. Why do we put 6? Because we put 1 hour after 5. So I'm gonna give you the formula. If you use 2, okay, if you use 2, you put the hour, you plus with 1, and then the minutes, 60, you minus the minute that you know over here. Get it? Over here you know 5:45, so you put 45 over here, and then you put the 5 over here, then you add with 1. Do you understand? This is the formula if you want to use 2. Okay, look at question number 5. Look at the longhand here. We need to write down pass or to. How do we know? Look at the longhands here. The longhand goes before 6. Of course, we need to put pass. Get it? If you put pass, the hour is not changing. Over here, the time is 8:07. 8 you put over here. 7 you put on the minute. How about this part? Look at this one. The longhand goes after 6. That's why you put 2. But why do we over here 2:37 over here? Okay, in the hour you put 3. Why? It's 2 plus 1. And then why over here is 23 minutes? It's 60 minus 37. If you use 2, get it? If you use pass, you do not change anything. Now over here number 6, your teacher will give you 2 clock faces. Draw the minute hand to show. 25 minutes past 11. Pass means the long hands before 6. Yes, but goes to which number? 25 minutes. So you have to count. Remember, over here 5 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the long hand goes to number 5 over here. Get it? How about this one? 18 minutes to 7. It means the long hand goes after 6, right? But I'm gonna tell you the easiest way. You count 18 anti-clockwise. So start from here, you go to this part 5, go to this part 5, you get 10, right? And then you go 5 more, you go 5 more, 15, and then you go 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this is 642. Do you understand? Why 42? Of course, you subtract it again. 60 minus 18, you get 42. And then this one is not 7. You minus it with 1, then you will get 6. Did it? So the time is 6:42. If you use 2, this part is gonna be different. Now find the missing number here. Past 9. Okay, past 9. Of course, if you use past, the number here, you just put the same with this one, right? Now, 9 minutes past. Okay, still you use past. You just copy this number on the hour here, put 2. But over here, you put 2. It's not past anymore. Look at this part, 6. Now, over here, 5. So, this part, you write down 60 minus 48. Find the answer. Next, 7:45 is 15 minutes to. Nah, this one, the hour, 7, you add with 1. Then you put it over here.